Hello, viewer. Good morning, good afternoon, wherever the viewers, because we are here once again, Finance Typhoon, with a very well known MCQ series on stock market and banking. Naturally, we have a very definite plan of giving you 200 MCQ on stock market and banking so that you are conceptually clear and you are updated. We mostly pick up 10 MCQ daily, 5 from traditional book and 5 from current, what is going on. So this way we summarize a lot of things. As a last video, we talk about the bank deposit insurance scheme, that is finally a guaranteed amount given in case of failure of bank, and also talk about the bank run situation. When lot of panic is there, people rush to withdraw their deposit. In this case, bank collapse. So bank run situation is also bearing on stock market and banking sector equally. As we discussed in last video, Silicon Valley bank failure, that is due to asset liability mismanagement, because deposits are liability and loans are asset. Assets are sometime is a huge period, 5 to 10 year, and deposit is short period. So that is mismatch, and rate of interest hike. So bond yield is reverse. So that is also a not a good position for the banking. So that is the reason of failure. And also we talk about the double tax avoidance treaty. Has very much bearing on stock market and banking. If you have to pay more tax, you don't have a disposable income, so you do not have a good chance to invest. So double tax avoidance treaty and paying double taxes, not paying double taxes is objective of double tax avoidance treaty and accord. Next, what is impact of Silicon Valley bank failure? As I told you, some most of startup are only impacted, so very moderate impact on our stock market. Short selling, as I told you, by borrowed money you are hoping, by number game, and hoping that in future now you buy and sell and hoping price go down, and this way you make a money. So insider trading, that's a disease. All the scandal in the stock market is due to insider trading, trading on price sensitive information. Sometimes the people are close to the owners and key portfolio, having closed door meeting and have a price sensitive information, and on these information they traded and bag a lot of money, kill competition. So that is prohibited also. Delisting, as I told you, either you violently delisted or compulsory due to non-compliance of stock market, you are being delisted. Penalty, as I told you, insider trading is very huge, 5 lakh to 25 crore, and sometime imprisonment of 5 years. This all are correct. And today's we have some specific question. Intraday trading, that is common disease are young guys, they want to make money in a single day, so buying and selling the stock in a from 10 o'clock to 4 o'clock, they bag 5 to 10% profit booking. That is day trading or intraday trading. So single day trading or working day trading, both are correct, because on working day, Monday to Friday market is working. So if you are talking about the Sunday or Saturday, there is no intraday trading. Intraday trading is very popular among the young student and professional. Way back when I did my MBA, I have a great addiction of intraday trading. I lose a lot of money, but we beg hardly 500 rupees per day, and that is handsome amount of pocket expenses those days. But we kill a lot of time, so I reduce this habit. So intraday trading is also a good part of making money, but a lot of time is consumed. What is stagflation? Inflation, hyperinflation. Stagflation is a new word when negative growth rate, static growth rate, joblessness. This is the condition when growth is not increasing. Steep curve is there, static growth, and joblessness is also there. So, whenever you are having a viral disease, so doctor always give you antibiotic because viral and bacterial both disease make you very complete disease. In the same fashion, stagflation is a cause of higher inflation and static and sometimes negative growth. So that is very bad position, and European and Americans are going this way. They are trying, banks are failed, joblessness is there, high inflation is there. So most of our neighbor countries are also going stagflation. That means growth is static and joblessness is there. So God save us from this condition. The answer is D, C and B. Intraday trading, as I told you, stagflation I told you. What is private equity? That is $1 million question, because that is highly profitable business. Whenever we nurture a private company and have a great stake, and when it grow we came and we exit, but that is not too much popular in India. HDFC private equity, ICI private equity, and other companies are there, but this is not too much popular. Venture capitalist, angel investor mostly put a lot of money on a new instant business. Suppose that we are having a very great example, say PVR Cinema, that is only operating two screen in Bombay, and some ICI's venture come and make a huge investment, and nowadays you are seeing all over India there are multiplex and great businesses there. So unlisted equity is called private equity. Unlisted private equity is quite a clear answer. So answer is C, A and B. What is Philip curve? Philip curve is known by a very renowned economist, give relationship between job and inflation. And joblessness and inflation is correct measure of Philip curve. When we take joblessness and x-axis and inflation in y-axis, we get a downward slope. So that is B is correct answer. Then it shows joblessness with high inflation and sometime wage increase. All things are included in flip curve. That is a new invention in range of microeconomics, and this give a valuable result. What is recession? It's $1 million question. Recession, technically, when we have a negative growth, cyclical growth, structural issue. So technically, if you are 2 or 3 quarters negative growth, you are in recession. Technically, you have seen a lot of 40% country in COVID are in technical recession. India is also in technical recession. So negative growth of 2 quarter, negative growth of 3 quarter. So technically, by definition, B is correct answer. When you are technically 3 quarter negative growth, so in fourth quarter you must have more negative growth and joblessness and lot of inflation, and condition become adverse. So technically mode you are in a recession. Netting is a good exercise Whenever you are trading, you are facing and exposed for lot of risk, credit risk, settlement risk, financial risk, all type of risk are there. So netting is a device to has all kind of risk, credit risk, settlement risk, and financial risk. You can avoid by netting, putting a lot of money here and there. Arbitrage is there, hedging is there. So combination of these techniques to avoid the risk is called netting. Overvalue limitation. Whenever you see overvaluation, stock are sometimes overvalued, undervalued. So security analysis is the way to get and know either stock is overvalued or undervalued. If it's undervalued, you have to purchase. If overvalued, you have to avoid or sell. So overvaluation, how you check stock is overvalued or undervalued? So current price is high, is that means it is going towards a overvaluation, and PE is high, price earning is high. Low PE with current price high, so this combination is known as overvaluation, when current price is high and low PE, and sometimes PE is high. So PE is high, people avoid trading. So A and C combination give you overvalue limitation. That means you have to avoid the overvaluation. So D is correct answer. That is very important area for trading. We have to be careful. Going investigation, current price and PE is most valuable measure to know overvaluation. Kill switch. As you know, kill means something you kill. Kill switch means disable special trading. Sometimes you are very much inclined to special trading, intraday trading, insider trading, short selling, long. You are specific trading, and you do not sometimes find a good portfolio. You are very much fan of trading on technology stock, sometimes banking stock. So sometimes stock is overvalued, and in the long run you lose a lot of money. So kill switch, that means disable special trading. You have not to do special trading. Take break from trading. Also, sometime if you are trading a lot of things, you are not having a lot of time to investigate and do technical and fundamental analysis. So sometimes you take rest and take break from the trading. That is a motto of kill switch. That means answer is C, A and B. Disable stable trading, special trading, don't stock specific and trade and sector specific, and sometime you should break from trading. That is kill switch in stock market, very common buzzword. What is capital adequacy check? You know capital adequacy ratio, ratio with the good asset to the bad asset. Whenever condition is bad, if you are having a good asset, you can come out with a trouble time. So A is capital adequacy ratio. Yes, you have to be watch out. Capital adequacy ratio should be optimum, not more. Bad asset to performing asset, it is also part of checking capital adequacy. So answer is C, A and B. Capital adequacy check is important for the banking. If banking have no NPA performing good, stock market is good. Investment is good, consumption is good. So banking and stock market go hand to hand. So we have to be pray for a good health of banking, so that the good health of economy is there. Finally, today's session is ending because we have talked about the kill switch, trading off, overvaluation, netting, recession, flip curve, private equity, and stagflation, intraday trading. These are 10 important concepts which make you very good insight about the trading, and also update you from banking sector. Thank you so much. Please subscribe my channel because the work of our team is valued, and give motivation by your liking and writing good comment. Thank you so much.